So I haven't been here too long, but there's the project that I'm most proud of here at Columbia Okura was one that actually started with a customer who had a hurdle that they were looking to overcome working with us personally. We addressed it directly, we solved the problem, and what it did is it created an avenue of open dialogue and great communication that allowed us to ask what is coming up down the pipeline. And we discovered a multi-line, multi-robot need that they had coming up very quickly that we would have missed out on if we weren't willing to step in front of the problems they were having, address the solutions, make it right, and give us the credibility and give us the respect and trust that we needed in order to be a reliable partner for their next solution. Something that keeps me excited on a daily basis, every time I log in or show up to work here at Columbia Okura, is actually two aspects. The first one is the people I get to work with. The culture here that we have internally is fantastic. I love working with my partners, whether it's the engineering team, my bosses, whether it's management or the directors, and also the customers that we work with. Different types of applications and scenarios every day keep me interested, keep me on my toes, and it creates a different environment each and every day that I come to work. So not only do I love working with the people that are here within the company, but each application and each site that I visit is different. So it's always keeping me, again, engaged in something new every day. 30 years of innovation to me means that Columbia Okura as a company is willing to be flexible, adapt, and change with the times, not only internally with how we handle business in-house, but also in how we service the market. The flexibility and the willingness to change over time to meet customers' needs, meet the demands of the market, and understand that we need to be flexible in order to accomplish certain goals so that we are providing exactly what the customer and our partners are looking for. As we celebrate 30 years here at Columbia Okura, some things that have been happening recently and some new tech that I'm excited about is our end effectors and the flexibility that we are taking in our approach to provide custom end effectors for customers. Recently at PAC Expo, we displayed one of them, but that started new conversations with customers about our abilities and our willingness to take on challenges and move product that otherwise couldn't have been addressed. So I'm excited to see what we have coming down the pipeline and how flexible we're willing to get in the end-of-arm tooling and end effector market and really flex our capabilities and our know-how in that area. Well, I believe that the one thing we're doing right now that's going to allow us to be successful for the next 3 decades, and I think it's been a key to why we've been successful for the last 3, is kind of a slogan that we've lived on, and it's make it right. Our willingness to step in front of a customer, provide the right solution, and if it's not quite perfect, readdress it and make it right and make it viable for them to be a functioning solution for their end of line is what's going to allow us to be successful moving forward. Each different product is a little different, and we have to understand that. And while we are willing to not only address each one and be flexible in the solution, our willingness to then readdress it and make it better and make it right throughout the process is what's going to allow us to be successful and grow even more over the next 30 years.